Know everyone how budget is treated in our country? Just like how your father get the salary, and from salary all of us get the pocket money, right? How happy we will be when dad is about to get money or the salary, and we have lot of things to do. We have lot of shopping to do, lot of food to eat, lot of new clothes to wear. Right or wrong? Yes. In the same way, if suppose father have got money and father has given the money to children 1, child 2, but not to the child 3 and child 4, what do you feel? You feel very hurt? You feel very abandoned or not? Yes. This is the thing that has happened with Telangana from last 3 consecutive years, because whenever the central government actually releases a budget, which is being released by the Nirmala madam, okay, whenever she releases the budget, she does not give any specific package, okay, to Telangana. This is very, very, very saddening news that we have been hearing with regard to central government assistance. Okay, for various Telangana projects, we have been meeting out this kind of treatment. Okay, from the central government from the last 3 years, last 3 consecutive years, there is no special package. There is no package at all. I forgot to tell you that special package will be like something you are given in addition to something is called a special package. We are not even getting the normal package. You can see this is mentioned in the Hindu newspaper. Yet another disappointing year for Telangana in a union budget. Why? Because regional ring road, Hyderabad Metro Rail Phase 2, Musi Riverfront Development Project, okay, were among the 47 projects we are actually wanting the funding from the central government, which central government generally gives to all other states also. But why not to give Telangana? What is the problem, Mr. Nirmala ma'am? Sorry, Miss Nirmala ma'am. Okay, so you can see that for the second consecutive year, the UN budget has proved a very disappointment for Telangana, with its ambitious flagship programs are failing to secure any allocations from the Nirmala ma'am. So if you see UN budget 2026, it highlights that the regional ring road, Hyderabad Metro Rail Phase 2, Musi Riverfront Development were among the 47 projects which we are asking the central government to fund us, but none found mention in finance minister speech on budget on the Sunday. Okay, Telangana has sought almost like we asked 1.5 lakh crore for these projects across infrastructure. It constitutes industry, social sector, but none of them have. Right. Now we do have injustice done to Telangana in the budgetary allocation. Very saddening that from 1956 to 2014 we have learnt about lot of injustices done to Telangana with our own Telugu people, that is nothing but Andhra Pradesh leadership. Now we are also seeing the injustice done to Telangana from the central government also. Okay, after the state has been born. Injustice done to Telangana in the budgetary allocation despite its potential. The UN budget 2026 to 2027, however, has unveiled a very ambitious plan to develop 7 high-speed corridors across India. And good thing about this particular corridors are 3 of them are actually moving, or you can say that they cut through Hyderabad. So Hyderabad will get 3 industrial corridor, and as a hub it will act. The announcement positioned Telangana as a central hub in the country's next phase of modern rail infrastructure. Hyderabad will be connected to Bengaluru, Chennai, and Pune through dedicated high speed rail lines. These corridors are expected to drastically cut travel time and improve regional connectivity across these states and strengthen Hyderabad role as a very economic and transport connectivity stimulator. Okay? Right. We are very unhappy, Mallu sir. Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka sir, obviously. The central government, if you see, continued its neglect, okay, has triggered another round of blame game, because the state government is Congress government, the central government, the BJP government. That's why any kind of deprivation, discrimination will be coming to the political landscape for sure. Okay, the Congress party is likely to you can say that they are ready to go for a campaign, make this campaign, this issue in the upcoming municipal polls, while the BJP faces pressure to convince voters that Telangana will not be sidelined. Deputy Minister, Chief Minister of our state, Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka sir, has already launched a sharp attack, urging MPs from the state to jointly press the centre to undo what he termed injustice. It is very nice from the part of the Deputy CM Mallu sir that he is asking all the MPs belonging to different parties that you please go to the parliament and go represent our state and get the funding, because Telangana is not only of the belong to the Congress but also belongs to what? Okay, all other party, all other MPs also. So he is the minister who need to actually go. Union Minister Kishan Reddy. Remember this point. The onus is on him because his party is in power over there. Political reaction has been sharply divided. Congress leaders expressed very high dissatisfaction over the centers ignoring the Telangana's repeated requests. UN Minister G. Kishan Reddy described the budget as a growth-oriented and inclusive. He highlighted support for Hyderabad Metro Phase 2 and Musi River Rejuvenation, insisting that Telangana will see gains under the broader national roadmap for sure. A light-hearted statement actually has been given by the Kishan Reddy, not a concrete one, not a factual. While flagship projects missed out, BJP leaders argue Telangana could become benefit indirectly from the national allocations. So whatever the allocation, whatever the hubs which are moving through the Hyderabad, no. So the BJP leaders are actually saying that these the Hyderabad which is connected through various corridor network obviously will be benefited in long term. Hyderabad, known as a pharma and biotech hub, may gain from the 1,000 crore Biopharma Shakti scheme. Industry leaders have welcomed the move through though clarity is awaited on how much the state can leverage. Similarly, the rupees 10,000 crore for MSME growth fund could support hubs in and around Hyderabad through direct benefit remain uncertain. So 10,000 crores has been allocated for the, you can see here, for the Biopharma Shakti mission, and for the MSME growth fund 10,000 has been allocated. The announcement of 5 regional medical hubs has drawn stronger positive reactions from Hyderabad's healthcare institutions. We see it as a recognition of the city's growing role in medical tourism. Obviously, a lot of people from other countries not just come to Delhi or Bangalore for the medical examination or the surgeries, but they generally also drop to Apollo Hospital, Yeshwada Hospital of our state. The textile and handloom sector also stands to gain with clusters in Karimnagar, Warangal, and Gonda expected to benefit from. So in the budget, tourism is giving importance, and also textile and handloom sector also will be gaining in Karimnagar, Warangal, and Nalgonda. They are also expected to benefit from 5-part program focused on self-reliance, cluster modernization, artisan support, sustainability, and skilling. So some few things are given in the budget for us. The budget's 1.63 lakh crore allocation for the agriculture and allied activities aimed at diversifying crops, strengthening fisheries, livestock, and deploying technology will also bring opportunities for Telangana farmers. Means obviously whatever the budget is with regard to agriculture, it will be distributed across the country. So Telangana will, that is a very common process. But the point here which the Congress government is making, that that we have some specific plans like Telangana Rising for 2047, okay, which is aligning with Viksit Bharat of 2047. So we ask for specific allocations because what we are doing is a very good infrastructure, a very enlarged infrastructure development we are doing. Why are you not giving us? This is the contention of Congress government today. So what is your opinion with regard to the negligence of central government to give preference to Telangana projects? Okay, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel. Do join my mentorship sessions. Take care. Bye bye.